week on the Weather Channel, weather.com, and the Weather Channel mobile. Now, you're local on the 8s.
Currently, the temperature is 66 degrees with heavy rain. Our local Doppler radar. Your forecast. Your extended forecast.
This is Hurricane Week on the Weather Channel, weather.com, and the Weather Channel mobile.
We're kicking off Hurricane Week on the Weather Channel, and the tropics are cranking up. Danielle is developing, but is it a threat to land? Find out tonight on Weather Center.
3 American soldiers, all amputees from different wars, unite with one common goal. A live interview with one of the men who fought his way to the top, coming up.
Tonight on Whether or Not, your lightning rod team is in full force for Hurricane Week. We've got the facts on a hurricane that's been going strong for at least 300 years.
Plus, you think you've got traffic problems. Wait until you hear about a traffic jam that took longer than some people's summer vacation.
We have all these stories and much, much more tonight on Weather Center.
It is Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. Thanks for joining us on this Monday night. I'm Alexandra Steele, and you've joined us on Weather Center.
And I'm Chris Warren. We are kicking off Hurricane Week tonight, and we have a hurricane to talk about. Jim.
Hey, remarkable, guys, how the Weather Channel does that. Hurricane Week, and we get a hurricane with it. Come on, I'll take you over and show you this thing. It is Danielle today, the second hurricane of the 2010 season, really developing pretty rapidly today as it continues to move on off toward the west-northwest at about 7.